Hey America, thanks for watching my video. Kevin here, America's favorite roofer with America's favorite roofing company, Honest Abe Roofing. Now, I was taking the trash out and I happened to notice when my truck's sitting in the parking lot. Check that out. It says, invest once, guarantee. Man, what's that really mean anyway? Hang on, let's grab the trash. Oh yeah, trash, here we go. Go into the dumpster. Invest once guarantee means this. Hey, let's just face it, if you're buying a roof, you probably didn't really want to do it to begin with. And let's just face this, the last thing you want to do is buy another one. So, we have our invest once guarantee. You'll never, ever have to buy another roof if you buy a roof from Honest Abe Roofing. Ever. If you ever have a challenge with it, we'll come out and take care of it, no questions asked. Heck, I'll even take out your trash for you. So, you got roofing problems? I understand. Some people may have a little rainy day fund issues. In other words, they just didn't quite save for the rainy day. I understand. Based on surveys online like bankrate.com, they'll tell you that 80% of Americans have less than $500 saved for emergency situations. That scares me. But I understand, we've all been there. That's why we have our easy payment solutions. So with our company, you invest once, you never have to worry about your roof again. And on top of that, you don't have to pay for it out of your pocket. You can pay for it as you use it. So, I'm not sure about you. If you hate roofing, you don't want to roof again, you don't want to see any more roofers, then call us. Honest Abe Roofing. We're here to serve. We're waiting for you to call or click. So, what are you waiting on? Call already. Let's get to work.